Welcome to Football and Pidgin. After match, look at how you see him. We get Oga who say we be like saying a very ogbonge Chelsea fan. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga who say Chelsea don't qualify for the next round of the Champions League and they don't top their group. Now how you see this performance on Chelsea today?
At least we go at least say we qualify, but the performance very poor. We not play anything. Salzburg too small now. At least first half alone supposed to be like 3-0 first. So you see now struggle with the struggle for the game. We just the manage. I just luck. Individual brilliance. Time because we qualify. Let me say the game they were very poor game from Chelsea. Honestly,
so you now talk about the chances where the club missed. So Chelsea supposed to like 3-0 up for first half. What do you get to talk about Chelsea attack so far this season?
I feel we get attacking players now. Before even they say we need attacker, Abumayam come. We get attacking players now. But I think the connection about the team and how to score, the mixing that they are starting, they link up very well. You understand? When we go play with your chic, you know they kill the attack more because I know they assist attackers. Once they do, they pour the game more. You see this game now, as come out the game collapse to the ground. So I think that the team needs to blend in that way because you need to get your sure attacking players without will do well later to come.
All right, now, Ose, make I ask you now for this match, which Chelsea player now you think say play past all the rest Chelsea players? Which Chelsea player you will give your own man of the match?
I think that Thiago Silva and Shalobah. Because at the moment the midfielders in the fuck up, the attackers in the fuck up. Abumayam miss clean 1-on-1 where Omomo score. So I just Thiago Silva and Shalobah and they mark the defense ball for us. Not because say the attack they score, the midfield they play well. And this Kovacic still they try small, but now those two players my best players at the moment for Chelsea.
So now, but may I ask you, say, say Chelsea fans they talk say with this new coach when coming, in don't stabilize things. For Champions League, we don't see the improvement. Say Chelsea said they deliver, they don't still even top the group and all that. But you as a Chelsea fan, what do you expect from Chelsea for the UEFA Champions League this season?
For me, I never think say the coach just stabilize things. I still feel saying I just see the
Champions League.
And I just see the new luck or saying as much as they play normally, even without coach. Those are team Salzburg, Dynamo Zagreb. Not a team was supposed to beat normally before without even coach. So but I just remember giving a time. At least my first Champions League career with this one. So maybe try and improve. So if you play well, the players now, all our players now Champions League credited player. The people play Champions League very well. So I'm going to try to get very tactful. Strategy, maybe employ new measures. But that one feels okay for the Champions League.
So but may I ask you about Chelsea goalkeeping situation now? Some weeks ago, I asked some Chelsea fans, they talk say the way it still be now Mendy still be Chelsea #1. So but now what we they see now say keeper now they keep all the competition. Champions League go now in the keeper, Premier League go now in the keeper. With what you they see as a Chelsea fan, who be Chelsea current #1?
For me, I always say there is room for improvement. For the past 2 seasons, keeper they very poor. Mendy become savior. Me and you know, say when it comes to saving, Mendy na baba for saving. But modern football starts with play for the back, which keeper call good pass Mendy. But now with time, we go see tell. Because for we never really play challenging team yet. All the keeper they play na Aston Villa, Brentford, all those small teams. And now we want to start to play big team. Maybe after World Cup now, we'll see that really they consistent. But based on saving matter, keeper never still hear Mendy to me. But at least they informed now. More enjoy now they informed.
All right, now, guys, say thank you for your time.